Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today the look I'm going to do for my eyeshadow is going to be a very simple look. I really hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I do upload daily. And also make sure you like, comment. That'll be great. Give this video a thumbs up. That'll be awesome. And stay tuned for the rest of the look. I am going to do something different. I usually do shadow first, but this time, because of this actual look, my cat just got my leg. But this time I am going to do shadow last. Alright, so we're going to hurry through putting my face on. Let's do my brows first. Okay guys, face is done. So now let's get into the shadow. The shadow is my favorite part. That shows who you are. You understand? Are you willing to do bold and beautiful, or are you willing to, stick to the usual? So, I'm going to be using Morphe James Charles palette. I'm going to be using that blue right there, that matte blue. If you can see it, good. If you can't, I'm sorry. So go ahead and put that right along your tear line. Let's do the other side. Who doesn't love blue? Blue is such a pretty color. Okay, you guys see that? Now we're going to put on liner. And of course, my lips are going to be a pink. Let's see if I like that one. Let's see. Hold on, guys. This was from one of my BoxyCharm boxes. I can't remember which month, but okay, my lashes are still drying, so you might see a little bit of white glue up there. It dries clear, but it's taking a while. Okay guys, I didn't even realize it kind of like the corners match my nails. Okay guys, so I really hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Don't forget, I upload daily. Thank you so much guys. Bye!